Rite Aid is offering a new way to test for the virus through self-swab testing outside some of its stores. The newest location will be up and running tomorrow in Summit County. Bob Jones tells us that while the health commissioner isn't sure how accurate those tests will be, she stressed broad-based testing is desperately needed.
You can't predict this kind of nightmare.
Summit County Public Health Commissioner Donna Skota says until there's a vaccine for the coronavirus nightmare or more testing, it's hard to imagine life completely returning to normal.
We definitely need more testing, particularly since we've made some really hard decisions to shutter businesses.
Several tents are now up outside of this Rite Aid in Green, which beginning tomorrow will offer free drive-through self-swab testing for COVID-19. Testing at a Parma Rite Aid is already taking place. A regional manager says those who are eligible must pre-register online and stay in their cars during the testing.
The pharmacist will explain them how to swab each nostril for 15 seconds, and then they will replace that in the test tube, give it back to the pharmacist, and they're on their way.
Skota was told the Green location will conduct up to 200 tests each day. The number of tests conducted at that Rite Aid and the number of positives will be reported to Summit County Public Health. The health commissioner says she isn't sure just how accurate that type of testing will be. One concern, will people properly swab themselves?
We don't know unless we try it, and so I think trying it will maybe give us the information that we need.
She says public health has about 300 tests to check for the coronavirus at nursing homes. Hospitals and some doctors' offices have tests, but without increased testing, it's hard to track the spread and hotspots.
It really is sort of a perfect storm of not having the availability of all the raw materials to be able to make testing kits.
Skota says with a testing shortage, it's hard to judge if the virus has peaked in Summit County.
We really don't know, Bob, how many people have actually had this or how many people are silent carriers.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.